Welcome to our updated guide on how to export contacts from Gmail on your Android device. Let's walk through the steps together. Begin by opening the Gmail app on your Android device. Gmail serves as a versatile platform for managing emails and contacts efficiently. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will give you access to various account settings and options within your Google account. Tap on Manage Your Google Account to navigate to the Comprehensive Settings menu for your Google account. Here, you can manage various aspects of your account, including contacts and sharing preferences. Select People and Sharing from the menu options presented. This section allows you to manage how you share information and interact with contacts in your Google account. Within People and Sharing, tap on Contacts to access your contact list. Your contacts are essential for staying connected and organizing your communication effectively. Locate the export icon next to the print icon and tap on it. This icon represents the option to export your contacts from Gmail to an external file for backup or transfer purposes. Choose the export option that suits your needs, such as exporting all contacts or selecting specific contacts, then tap on Export to initiate the export process. By following these steps, from opening Gmail to exporting your contacts, you can seamlessly manage and export your contacts from Gmail on your Android device, ensuring you have a backup of your important contact information. Exporting contacts from Gmail is a valuable feature that allows you to safeguard your contact information and easily transfer it to other devices or platforms. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide helps you in efficiently exporting your contacts from Gmail. Stay connected and organized with your contacts effortlessly.